Do you recognize this man? He's one of your Yamhill County neighbors, and he'll be reading one of his favorite poems right now during One Poem a Day Won't Kill You, Yamhill County's celebration of National Poetry Month.
I'm Frank Messina. The poem is Empty Train by Joyce Messina. I made it, I did. I jumped on the train. It was moving slowly in the beginning, then picked up speed. The cars were empty, row after dusty row. I had expected much more. The rumble, the roar, played loudly in my head. I wanted a symphony. I heard a rock band instead. As I turned round, my eyes were deceived, for there in the first car, old friends and family could not be believed. Into the next car I cautiously moved, afraid that somehow I might be removed. Maybe I should go back and leave this fast track. Wouldn't we all like to do that? I continue on through, car after car, while the train picks up speed. Should I really go this far? Ahead of me, the caboose is in sight as the train curves round into the dark night.